Hi, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager at Haven's Kitchen and the resident air fryer master, and I've put together 5 of our favorite recipes that happen to be vegan made in our air fryer. Our first recipe is the vegan air fryer ravioli. Next up, we have the coconut cashew garlicky air fried beans. We can't forget about the romesco cauliflower bites, our crispy air fryer tofu, and lastly, our crispy air fryer Brussels sprouts. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell so you're always notified when we're dropping new videos. Let's talk about probably the most iconic air fryer recipe that we've done thus far in the test kitchen, our vegan air fryer ravioli. When I say iconic, I mean I'm assuming that you guys have probably never eaten ravioli like this. It is crunchy, it's crispy. If you want to impress your friends, your parents, your partner, or you just want to make something yummy for yourself, make this recipe. Find our air fryer ravioli recipe linked below. We can't forget about cocoa. And I've got her in my pocket here, and I really want to talk about our coconut cashew garlicky green beans. This was so easy to make. It's the perfect side if you're having people over or just like a really simple snack. This sliced garlic is delicious with our beans, and it's so easy. Our next recipe is our romesco cauliflower bites. I love this recipe because it's a great filling for tacos. You can throw it on top of your greens, rice, pasta, pretty much anything. Super versatile and super yummy. The cauliflower bites are perfect for tacos, to put on top of grain bowls or salads. We served ours on a plate with ranch for dipping, as if you're having a party or a get together. Next, we have our gingery miso crispy air fryer tofu. It couldn't be a vegan recipe video without some good old tofu. Typically, fried tofu can be a little bit intimidating, and that's why I love to do it in my air fryer, where it's really a set it and forget it kind of thing. You throw it in the basket and it's done in no time. If you ever see a recipe that's calling for animal protein, our tofu is the perfect swap. It's super adaptable. Last but not least is our recipe for crispy air fryer Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are full of nutrients and can be cooked in so many different ways. But one of our favorites and less common ways is in the air fryer. This recipe took 3 minutes to prep and was made that much easier with our herby chimichurri. If any of these recipe snippets sound delicious to you, you can find the full-length videos linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you make any of these recipes, make sure you comment below, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you always know when we're coming out with new videos, and I'll see you all soon.